Brad Williams, Excel Prime. We're going to look at the COUNTA function and its usefulness. What we're going to do is look at what percentage of the project is complete. What we do is look at some information. Let's just say it's a tenant improvement, or there's just a set of tasks that need to be done, and we have to manually input some of this data. Some drywall work and it's done. And we have some other stuff that's done. Well, we can use the COUNTA function to determine what percentage is done. Now, here's the thing with the COUNTA. It does not count blank cells. We can set a parameter, figure out what the percentage is done. So you can use a simple formula based on the COUNTA function to calculate the percentage completed for a project with a list of tasks. Here's the formula. COUNTA C5 to C11 divided by COUNTA B5 to B11. Why do we do that? Well, we need to know the total versus the completions. It's an average. Think of these as numbers. If this was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, what? We're going to look at 1, 2, 3, whatever the number of cells are. Then we're going to look at how many are non-blank cells. And we're just dividing, in this case, 4 divided by 7. That's really what it looks like. In this example, if a task is marked done, it is regarded as complete. The objective is to determine the project's percentage of completion by displaying as a percentage the ratio of completed to total. Here's how it works, COUNTA by COUNTA. This formula divides completed tasks by the total number of tasks, complete by total, which is then displayed as a percentage. In contrast to COUNTA counts cells that contain both numbers and text. If this was a number, it would be counted. If it's text, it's counted. Otherwise, anything else is not counted. Count the non-blank cells. So COUNTA returns 7 in B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're counting everything. COUNTA counts 4. So 4 divided by 7 is 57.14%. Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Thanks.